Well, ladies, it's that time of the year again. If you are looking for clothing inspo for Eid, I have 5 different outfits for 5 different girls. Okay, so the first outfit is the traditional outfit, and this outfit will have your crush saying MashaAllah and Insha'Allah. No, but this outfit is really great because it has so many bedazzle and jewels on it. You do not need to accessorize. It's super easy to use, very flowy. Obviously, kaftans are very, very flowy, traditional, super cute. Honestly, this is my favorite. This is my favorite type of outfit to wear on Eid. And when else can you wear such a beautiful, decked out kaftan like this? Also, you guys, one of my favorite apps to use during Eid to organize and find the outfits that I like is ShopTagger. Super, super handy app. You can pretty much organize pieces of clothing by lists. Once you find something, you can shape it. So once you find something that you like, you can just tap on your ShopTagger icon. You can save it to your ShopTagger wish list by size, how much percentage you want off of it. Super, super handy because you can save that cha-ching, cha-ching, ka-bling, bling. These are all my different ShopTagger wish lists. As you can see, I organize it by Eid, summer, fall, all the seasons. All you need to do to get the ShopTagger icon onto your computer is go to the Chrome Web Store and pretty much just click download and then the icon will show up on your browser. And of course, it's free to download, and you can use ShopTagger on any site, you guys. And ShopTagger will notify you via email or push notifications when something comes back in stock or it's on sale. And also a new feature that they added is that they will find coupons for you within the website that you're looking at, and they'll automatically apply them. So super handy. So whether you're trying to find a super cute Eid outfit or just, you know, cute summer dress or whatever, then I definitely recommend this app. I will have all the information in the description box below. The next girl is the Boss Babe. This girl, let's just say men are intimidated by her. Girls want to be her. Maybe men are trying to tell her to get back into the kitchen, but you know what? No, she's out there, she's doing her thing, and she's looking cute doing it. Honestly, a jumper is really, really great for if you're going to work and then later on you want to join in the Eid festivities because it can be dressed up or down. Specifically with accessories, I feel like accessories can make it look less business-like. For example, if you pair it with like a cute little summer bag, it looks more, you know, summery and fun. But if you get rid of that and you go back to your work bag and, you know, your heels, it's gonna look more business-like, so you can really like alternate between the two. That's what I absolutely love about this look. And you know what? Jumpers are just so comfortable, right? The next girl is the glow up girl because let me tell you guys, this girl typically during Ramadan, she's in her tracksuit and her sweatpants, but when Eid rolls around, best believe she'd be pulling out all the stops. Her hair is dead. And you know what? I don't blame you. Ramadan can be hard on top of school, university, you know, nobody's got time for that when you're fasting and you got priorities. We got priorities, people. But you know, when Eid comes around, she is ready to look cute. She is ready for the Eid festivities. You guys, nothing says a glow up like a beautiful glittery dress. So for this dress, there was like kind of like a plunging V-line. I paired it with a scarf because I thought it would look more classy than just like layering a shirt underneath it. You know, gotta keep those goodies concealed. And now we have the too lazy to dress up girl. This is the girl we have all been, okay? And you know what? Don't deny it. Don't act like you've never been there. You've been sleeping in for a lot of Ramadan, and then you have to wake up for Eid prayer, and you obviously miss it even though your family's calling you to come. But you know, Eid prayer is at like, I don't know, like 8, and you've been sleeping in till 2, and you obviously don't wake up. But you know what? You can still look cute and lazy. You just pop on a cute leather jacket, pop on your favorite sneakers, and that's it, okay? You gonna look cute no matter what you have on your pants or your shirt, or just like a simple dress like this. The next girl on Eid is the girly girl, and don't tell me that this dress doesn't give you like the girliest vibes ever. It's so cute, and I just paired the outfit with some cute little earrings. You really don't have to do too much with the accessories because, as you can see from the dress, a lot is going on. You could also wear this with like some really cute like pink earrings, or like, you know, any type of color that's in the dress. Super cute, super girly. She is sweet. She is not sassy. She is beauty. She is grace. And she be looking hella cute on Eid. Those are the 5 girls on Eid / style edition. Which one are you? Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know who I missed out on. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.